Ni, post na ako ni.
Oh, kaya na.
Yeah, it's just for ano man din.
Ang kulog gamay.
Wagtang na diri.
Sa animals. Layo pa kita sa animals. Yatod pa ta sa kuan. Tram.
Layo kay diri padung sa labi nya. Layo pa jud kay labi padung sa kanang kuan.
Sa tarahan. Main joy.
Sa main kuan nila.
Layo gani ina bito kon EG nga. Pas apas siya. Dili na kagawa.
Tinuod ay mo apa siya?
Dito ka apas doy.
Kaya na di siya mo apa siya?
Ano siya mo pa siya ko mo? Ingon sa mama.
Oh, signal din tala.
Gani.
Pare alang yan siya kailangan siya.
Daghan na dito. Wait, ano?
Totoo po. Hindi ito mapunong si Pare. Pag iyahay na tawag ka ng adto sa mga asa, katutol naman ta. Ang katunga pagigari kay maglibog pa asay mo una.
Ito pila sa layo na.
Gani kay may layo-layo no. So kaya nga ang bus kay nihit kay no kung daghan na
Mama sa
kaayo.
to'y advice ako.
Mo bitaw ta among giuna pod, nadiri ko sa kakayo.
Asam ta parking.
Tuyo pa kayo.
Hi, Nina. Hi, Nina.
Hi Aya. Hi. Hi ay.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cebu Safari. So everyone, can you wave back and say hello, Jumbo? So macaws have a very long tail with feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail. And with the tail itself, the droplet extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo's going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Turn around. Good bird. And that's one. Nice. As you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies, and they have less colors underneath their wings. But Jumbo's going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Alright, everybody say it louder, say wings.
Wings!
And lastly, macaws have zygodacal feet, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. They can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now, Miss Joanna here at the groundnut, she will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see what Jumbo will do. Now Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and grab its nut. Good bird, Jumbo. And lastly, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. But wait, there's more. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Jumbo's friends from the jungles of South America. Here comes our flying macaws. So we have your 3 flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, and Tony. So once again, at this moment, I need to place everyone to please avoid reaching out to these birds. Now for their diet, they eat fruits, fall fruits, vegetables, flowers, stands, and leaves. Now in the wild, they eat mud or clay to neutralize toxins from the various plants in their diet. It also gives them essential minerals like iron, calcium, and most especially sodium. Just like how humans can be left or right-handed, macaws have a finger tool to use while holding their food. Now did you know that most macaws are left-footed? So there are 400 almost species of parrots in the world, and blue-and-gold macaws are ranked as the 3rd largest parrot globally, and green macaw as the 2nd largest parrot in the world. So once again, we have here our green macaw named Jumbo, and our 3 flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, and Tony. Now ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our flying macaws. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this
Well,
moment, I need an adult volunteer. Just make sure you're not afraid of the birds. So raise your hands if you want to volunteer. A little bit distracted. Alright.
Kasangit ang usa din.
Because you're very enjoying. And don't worry, sir, you'll be our next volunteer for our next act. So, Dr. Murphy, please assist our volunteer. Okay, for our next act. And dog.
Wow, couple,
So, tigers, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime.
Wow.
Animal. But when their partner dies, that will be the only time that they will look for another mating partner. They're also a monomorphic type of birds, meaning both male and female share the same physical features, just like their colors and also their sizes. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the coast. It has a white plumage from its head down to its other parts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. Now these large bird of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, India, Tasmania, and Southeast Asia. Now for the lifespan, they can live up to 15 to 30 years inside the community with proper care. And just to share, the same.
Doon, nagkurkurog. Nanay, babay. Oh, nanay, babay. Nagpatubang giday niya.
Masalay babae pa. Panay mga babae.
Dara, lion! White lion. Dara! Lion base. Lion, lion.
Three white lions, si Max, si Jack, o si Bugoy. Puro sila lalaki, managsuon, and 9 years old sila. So they're born in the PDD in France. So lions are the second largest big cats next to the tigers. So they're considered as the king of the jungle. It is because of their strength and ability to dominate vast territories. So lions considered are carnivores. So we
Nilubog sa tubig ay diinitan. Naligo, mana. Naligo?
Sure ba?
Mango!
Flamingo. Picture dira, Bi. Aya.
Look! Hey! Ligawas!
Hello. Iguana.
Ah! Look! Di, wala kisali ko anda di. Wala kisali. Di, wala.
Nakakahait bagbik oy.
Kaon, para niya isa pilot din.
Talinis kay ilang ano.
Nayabo na kay siya naya. Di ako ah. Di, kay sakit kay sila sa ulo. Hala.
Ali pa, smile pa. Hawak ma. Hawak ma.
Kurus na ako. Ano man? Itukbon mo ko nila.
Hala.
Nay, namatagak ay.
No.
Ato ni pagkaon.
Nahurot mo, kapag hindi pa kabot ko ito.
Dali mi wala.
Agay. Aya, look at my head. Look at center, ma'am. Center mag-feeding dali.
Dito siya nag-aawa siya na yan.
Ali aya. Kugus. Ay pagbalik dito.
Mahadlok siya. Dahil mahadlok siya ana ay.
Wala naman ay sud.
Lapas! Ya, kaya.
Ako na picture na.
No, yan na lagi. Paglasin ani pa rito? Hi guys.
Hi. Hi, vlog.
Are you tired guys?
No.
Wow. What?
Are you tired? Are you tired? No. No?
No and yeah?
Really, really good.
No and yeah. Nice, be. Giraffe lang ga. Ah, sa mana, uy. Uy, sayaw, mana, day, di man na pusing, day. Hi, guys. Hi, say hi. Hi. How are you, Aya? How are you? So this is the Mitchell's garden, guys. Nice. What's your name? Michelle's garden. Wow, di ba nag-orchids? Uy. Uy. Ha? Oh. Let's go. Wow. Ah, sila.